Have you ever been denied a loan or apartment because of bad credit? It's a frustrating situation, and it can feel like your credit score holds you hostage. So, you might be wondering, is there a magic fix? Can services like Credit Karma actually build your credit score? Let's face it, credit scores can be confusing. The good news is, you're not alone in this. In this video, we're going to crack the code on Credit Karma and explore how it can, or can't, help you on your journey to credit score greatness. First things first, what exactly is Credit Karma? It's a free service that provides you with access to your credit report and credit scores. They don't pull your credit themselves, but rather rely on information from two of the major credit bureaus, TransUnion and Equifax. This means you can monitor your credit for free, which is a definite plus. But here's the key question, can simply monitoring your credit with Credit Karma actually improve your score? The answer is no. Unfortunately, just checking your credit report doesn't magically make your score go up. Think of your credit score like a report card for your financial responsibility. The things that impact your score are actions you take, like making payments on time, keeping your credit card balances low, and having a healthy mix of credit accounts, like credit cards and loans. So, where does Credit Karma come in? It can be a valuable tool to understand what's happening with your credit. You can see your credit report, track changes over time, and even get alerts for potential errors. By keeping an eye on your report, you can identify any issues that might be dragging your score down, like missed payments or incorrect information. Here's the magic part. Once you identify these issues, you can take action. You can dispute errors with the credit bureaus, set up automatic payments to avoid late fees, and work on strategies to lower your credit utilization ratio, the amount of credit you're using compared to your limit. Credit Karma can also offer educational resources and tips to help you improve your credit habits. From understanding credit card interest rates to managing debt, these resources can be a roadmap to building a stronger financial future. But Credit Karma isn't a silver bullet. There's another factor to consider, the credit scoring model used. Credit Karma offers VantageScore, which is one of the many credit scoring models out there. While VantageScore is widely used, lenders might rely on FICO scores when making decisions. So, while Credit Karma can't directly build your score, it can be a helpful tool to monitor your credit health and identify areas for improvement. By taking proactive steps based on the information you find, you can build a positive credit history and watch your score rise over time. Here are some additional things to keep in mind. Credit building is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time and consistent effort to see significant improvements. There are other services available besides Credit Karma. Explore your options and find one that fits your needs. Consider credit builder loans or secured credit cards specifically designed to help build credit. Remember, a strong credit score opens doors to lower interest rates, better loan options, and even cheaper insurance. By understanding how Credit Karma works and using it strategically, you can take control of your financial future. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.